Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on lattice theory, lecture number 1, in which I will discuss about poset means partially ordered set and hash diagram. Firstly, you define partial order relation. A relation capital R on a set capital A is said to be partial order relation if the relation R is number 1 reflexive, number 2 antisymmetric and number 3 transitive, which may be described as follow. Number 1, reflexivity. A is related to A for all A belongs to A. Means each element of capital A is related to A. Means for any element of A is related to the same element in the set. Number 2, antisymmetry. If small a and small b be elements of capital A, then if small a is related to small b and small b is related to small a, then A equal to B. This is called antisymmetry. Number 3, transitivity. If A, B, C belongs to capital A and if small a is related to small b is related to small c, then small a is related to small c. This is transitivity property. A set with the partial order relation R is called partially ordered set. We generally denote the partial order relation by the symbol, this symbol less than equal to symbol. This is the relation for partial order relation. And this is used in place of capital R. Capital R will be the relation. If partial order relation, this is a partial order relation on the set A, then ordered pair capital A, comma, a partial order relation is called partially ordered set or simply poset. Poset means partially ordered set. Now we give an example. Example is that PA be the collection of subsets of A, that is PA is the power set of A. The relation subset of set inclusion is a partially ordered relation on the set PA. Now we verify this. Let capital X is subset of A implies that capital X belongs to PA, as PA be the set collection of all subsets of A. So X is a subset of A, then X belongs to PA. Implies that X is subset of X, implies that X is related to X. This fulfills the condition for reflexive. So this is reflexive, number 1. Number 2, let capital X and capital Y subset of A implies that capital X, capital Y belongs to PA. If capital X is subset of capital Y and capital Y is subset of capital X, implies that capital X equal to Y, that is X R Y and Y R X implies that X equal to Y. Therefore, the relation is antisymmetric. Number 3, let X, Y, Z subset of A implies that X, Y, Z belongs to PA power set, and if X is subset of Y, Y is subset of Z implies that X is subset of Z. That is, if X is related to Y, Y is related to Z implies that X is related to Z. Therefore, the relation is transitive. Therefore, the relation this is a partial order relation. Order relation on PA that is PA along with the relation subset is a partial order set. Order set, that is PO set. Now we define totally ordered set or chain. Let A be any set with a relation symbol be a PO set, then this PO set is called a totally ordered set or chain if every two elements in A are comparable. That is, if A and B be any two elements of A, capital A, then either A is related to B or B is related to A. Means there must be a relation between A and B. Totally ordered sets are also called linearly ordered sets. By an example, we shall show that. Let capital R is the set of real numbers and let this relation less than equal to be the usual less than or equal to. Meaning of this relation is less than or equal to here. This relation is defined on set of real numbers capital R. Then capital R, set of real numbers along with the relation less than or equal to, is a chain or totally ordered set. Now we verify this. Number one, firstly we see here that this is a real line. This side infinitive, this side minus infinitive. Here 0, this side positive real number, this side negative real numbers. If we take any two real numbers A and B, we shall have to show the relation between A and B. Firstly, let A belongs to R. Means A is a real number, then A equal to A. Therefore, A is related to A. Here, the relation is less than or equal to. Here, equal to, that means, implies that this relation is reflexive. Number 2, let A, B belongs to capital R. Means A and B are real numbers. Here A and B are real numbers. If A is less than B, B is less than A, then we must have A equal to B. That is, this relation is antisymmetric. Number 3, let A, B, C belongs to R. Means A, B, C are real numbers. And if A is less than B, B is less than C, then according to the relation less than or equal to, we get A less than equal to C. Therefore, this relation is transitive. Therefore, this is a partial order relation. Partially ordered relation. And R with this relation is a poset, partially ordered set. Now, let A and B be any two real numbers. A and B be any two real numbers. Here A is less than B. It may be possible that B be in the left side of A. So either A is less than B or B is less than A. Not both at the same time, because A and B are two different real numbers. Therefore, A is related to B or B is related to A. Therefore, R with this relation is a totally ordered set. Totally ordered set. Now we describe about the representation of poset by Hess diagram. A partial ordering, this is a partial order relation, on a poset P can be represented by a diagram known as Hess diagram of the ordered pair P be the partial ordered set and this is the partial order relation. In such diagram, each element is represented by a small circle or by a dot, and any two comparable elements are joined by lines in such a way that if A is related to B, then A lies below B. We join A and B. We write A below the B in the diagram. Non-comparable elements are not joined. Thus, there will not be any horizontal line in the diagram of the poset. If the Hess diagram of the poset is given, then we can obtain the set of ordered pair in the form of relation from the diagram. This is the symbol for the partial order relation. By an example, we may clearly understand the concept of the Hess diagram. Here, example is A be a set containing elements 2, 3, 6, 12, 24 and 36. The relation, this is the partial order relation, is defined as X is related to Y if X divides Y. Here relation is division. X is related to Y, that means X divides Y. Draw the Hess diagram. Here we see that we have 2, 3. Lowest member is 2, 3. 2 does not divide 3 and 3 does not divide 2. So, we will not join 2 and 3. Here we write 2. Here we write 3. Here relation is the division. Here 6. 2 divides 6 and 3 divides 6. So we will join 6 with 2 and 3. We write here 6. As 2 is related to 6. So we write 2 below the 6. And 3 is related to 6. Means we write 3 below the 6. Here relation means 2 divides 6 and 3 divides 6. Then we have 12 as 6 divides 12. So we may write 12 here. Then 24 and 36. 12 divides 24 and 12 divides 36. But 24 does not divide 36. So 24 and 36 are not comparable. We write, and we will have to join 12 and 24. Also, we will have to join 12 and 36. 12 will be in the place below of the 24 and 36. We write here 24 and here 36. And this is the Hess diagram. of the given problem. Now the given problem is, let A be a set containing elements 1, 2, 3. Draw the hash diagram of PA, power set of A, with relation subset. Since given that A equal to a set containing 1, 2 and 3, therefore P, a power set, means set of all subsets of A. So we write null set, the set containing 1, set containing 2, set containing 3, set containing 1 and 2, set containing 2 and 3, set containing 1 and 3, and set containing 1, 2, 3. All are subsets of capital A. We know that PA with relation subset is a poset. Now we draw the hash diagram. Here given that phi be the lowest element, so firstly we write phi here, phi null set. Then we write this side 1, set containing element 1, here set containing element 2, here we write set containing elements 3, as 1 and 2 are not subset of with each other, similarly with 3 this set. So these are not comparable. So these are not joined with each other. As phi is the subset of this and this, so we join these 3 subsets of A with phi, and phi be the subset of each 3 subsets. So we write phi below these 3. Now here we have 1 2, set containing 1, 2. So if we write here 1 and 2, 1, 2 set. Here we may write 2, 3. 2, 3, and here we may write 1, 3. 1, 3 this, as 1 is subset of 1, 2. So this is the this is below 1, 2. Similarly 2 is below this set, below this set. Now we have 1, 2, 3, one subset. This is the superset of this set and this set. So we may join this 1, 2, 3 with here also, and this is the hash diagram. Now problem is that let X, capital X, be the set of factors of 12, and this relation be the relation divides, that is, if X is related to Y, that means X divides Y. Draw the hash diagram. Here let capital X equal to set containing 1, 2, 3, 4 and 3, 4, 6 and 12 be the set which contains factors of 12. All are factors of 12. The relation A is related to B means A divides B. The hash diagram may be written as follows. Here we see that 1 divides each element and y1 is the least element. So we first write 1 here. 1 divides 2 and 1 divides 3, but 2 and 3 are not comparable because 2 does not divide 3 and 3 does not divide 2. So we write this side 2 and this side 3. Now 4. 2 divides 4 but 3 does not divide 4. So we may write here 4. 2 divides 4. 3 does not divide 4. As 2 divides 4, so 2 is below 4. Here 6. 3 divides 6. So 6 is here. 4 does not divide 6, but 2 divides 6. So we may join this. Now 12. 4 divides 12 and 6 also divides 12. So we write this 12 and this is the hash diagram. Now problem is that let P equal to a set containing elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The relation, this is a relation. This relation defines less than or equal to, meaning of this relation. Less than or equal to. Draw the hash diagram of P with this relation. As the relation is less than equal to. So it is obvious that P with this relation is a poset because here these are the elements of real numbers. Now we draw the hash diagram. Here least element is 1. So we write here 1. Less than equal to be the relation. So 1 is less than 2. So 1 is below 2. Here 2. 2 is less than 3. We may write here 3. 3 is less than 4. We may write here 4. And 4 is less than 5. Here 5. Here we see that any two elements are comparable. Here 4 and 1. 1 is less than 4. 4 and 2. 2 is less than 4. 3 and 5. 3 is less than 5. This is hash diagram. Since any two elements are comparable, so P with this relation is a chain or totally ordered set. Totally ordered set. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.